Alright, y'all, Midwest Ken. This guy right here is a 50-50 mix, about 750 milliliters of ethanol and methanol. And the reason it's so cloudy is actually molecular sieve dust from the ethanol. I filtered it, got a lot out using a fine frit filter, a broken one because I didn't want to ruin any good ones, not being able to get that crap out. But basically what we're going to be doing is making potassium phthalimide. And we're going to be deprotonating the acidic hydrogen of phthalimide with potassium hydroxide. And thank you, Backyard Science 2000, for this. I will be using phthalimide from him for doing this reaction. And it's simple, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now what the 100 subscriber special is. And when I get to potassium phthalimide, I'll be using the 1-bromobutane from the last video. And that is going to be the reaction components. We're going to be doing the Gabriel amine synthesis to make 1-aminobutane. And I might try this reaction with, making the butyl phthalimide and then using hydrazine hydrate to reduce the mixture to 1-aminobutane and phthal hydrazide. But I'm thinking for the most part I'm going to be using sodium hydroxide to be hydrolyzing those products. But this is kind of the introductory part. I'm going to weigh out the free base of this and put it in here, and I'll come back when that's taken care of. Oh, before I do, so according to some math I'm doing 36.75 grams of free base phthalimide and 14 grams of potassium hydroxide. It's going to be our reaction mixture components. All right, here we are. So this is the 750 mil of 50-50 methanol ethanol, and we got about 34.75 grams of phthalimide free base. And here I've got 14 grams of KOH dissolved in 95% ethanol. I didn't have any more dry ethanol, so we're gonna make do. This can be reused multiple times. And what I mean by that is when you're done, you've collected product, you can redo it with the same methanol and ethanol. So 750 mils sounds like a lot, but it's not. We'll come back. last part of the potassium phthalimide video and my announcement for the actual 100 prescriber special is the Gabriel amine synthesis. And I'm actually really excited to try this. It's a cool synthesis. I had an idea with the 1-amino-butane, and I just don't think it's going to work. When I post the 1-amino-butane, I will ask what it is that I'm asking for help for. And if anybody can help me figure it out, I will continue with the video. Otherwise, I'm going to come up with a different route. But that's going to be pretty far down the line. I got some other stuff to get back to. So this is our solvent for the Gabriel amine synthesis, DMSO. And as we know, DMSO freezes at just below room temperature. I've got a couple bottles here. Let's just take a look at one. Yeah, let's go with this one. So, you can see on there, it's very nice. Some nice flaky, they remind me of phthalic acid, phthalic anhydride. They tend to be these really fluffy, flaky crystals. So this is actually potassium phthalimide. I don't know if you can see, but there is a yellow color to it, which is exactly what literature describes potassium phthalimide as. I'm probably going to be going over what I'm supposed to be doing, just to give myself room for error. Here, you'll see it very well. There's really not much to see. A little waviness in there. There we go. That is the 1-bromobutane. So I got this thing sealed up really good because it stinks. And exposing yourself to halogenated alkane is probably not a good idea. Sorry about the shakiness there. All right, and then la pièce de la résistance. Whatever the hell you say, hydrazine. So this is going to be our hydrolysis base, kind of, it's going to do the hydrolysis. We're going to be turning this into free base hydrazine hydrate, and absolutely terrifying. But we're going to be doing that. We're going to be doing it very safely, very carefully. We're going to be using the gas mask ventilation, blah, 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 blah. So please do not try anything I do at home. This stuff is dangerous. Most of the people who are going to be watching this are probably more skilled than I am. But if you see this, please just do not recreate it. This is actually an old bottle of hydrazine. As you can see, the expiration date is coming up in about 3 months. I don't know. But this is going to be the project here. 1-amino-butane through the Gabriel amine synthesis. And guys, I appreciate you watching my channel. I love you all. Please keep coming back. I'm really wanting this channel to get bigger. I'm really wanting to learn more. I want to get to a point where I can fund more, do more. I'm so excited. This is so cool. I fucking love chemistry, dude. It is so cool. There's lots to learn. So much to learn. But thank you again, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Midwest Kim.